Hello everybody, my name's Phil, and obviously I'm not a flight attendant, but there's somebody very special on board tonight. She's sitting way in the back in 19F. I'd like to recognize her tonight with a little song, and it goes like this. Zippity-doo-dah, zippity-yay, it's our anniversary and a wonderful day. Plenty of good times heading our way on this lovin' airline, SWA. So, to my loving and incredible wife of 37 years today, happy anniversary. I love you, Bonnie, and I love you too, Southwest. Thank you.
Are you surprised? Here we go.
Yes. Oh my gosh, honey.
Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary, sweetheart.
And thank